लाइफ में कितना भी पैसा कमा लो, कितना भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाओ, लेकिन अगर आपके रिश्ते सही नहीं है, देन नथिंग ऑफ इट रियली मेक्स सेंस. वेलकम टू इंडियाज ओनली पॉडकास्ट दैट टॉक्स अबाउट सेल्फ लव एंड मेकिंग योर रिलेशनशिप्स बेटर. अनलीश द पावर ऑफ लव विद रॉ क्लिप्स. लेट्स रॉ.
If it was only for the women, do you think God is so stupid to create a man and the woman to depend on the sperm just for the sperm? मतलब भगवान ये नहीं कर सकते थे कि there are so many species who don't need a male
who don't need a male, yeah,
right?
हाँ.
तो हम वैसे नहीं बन सकते थे क्या?
Yeah,
I
so
mean,
he's not
it
only
will
there
sound,
for, yeah.
It will sound very stupid to some people. Like लोगों को लगेगा ये क्या बोल रही है?
नहीं.
But सोच के देखो.
हाँ.
Right?
So he's just not there for the sperm.
Yeah.
He's there for,
Exactly.
yeah.
And
his role is beyond that,
beyond
actually.
that.
Yeah.
And again, we are created in such a beautiful manner जहाँ पे you know masculine energy का अपना एक रोल है, feminine energy का अपना एक रोल है,
Yeah.
right? And the world is talking enough about it. अभी मुझे हमें अलग से वो करने की जरूरत
I
नहीं
had
है.
like an entire
But,
podcast on that, saying
exactly.
masculine and feminine
है ना?
energies. Yeah.
तो think about कि the strength, the stability and the protection that the father has to offer,
Yeah.
right? Does it only come with money, right?
Males also need to sort of start
Yes.
coming into that zone.
Yes.
So you would recommend कि दोनों partners start कर दे.
बिल्कुल.
To start
because,
getting ready.
One very key highlight, and I don't think anyone has spoken about this, but there is very good amount of research also at this point on this, कि क्यों ये ज़रूरी है. कभी मात्र ऋण सुना है? मात्र ऋण.
No.
It's usually पितृ ऋण.
पितृ ऋण. हाँ.
It's usually पितृ दोष.
हाँ.
Right? Now,
Yes.
In some sense it's ancestors
हाँ.
also.
हाँ.
ठीक है. But ये जो ऋणानुबंध होता है, the karmic patterns, they are more attached to the male partner.
Okay.
So शास्त्र ये कहता है कि चेतना, the consciousness that is going to come into the womb, ठीक है, जो गर्भ बनेगी, वो पिता को चुनती है.
Okay.
और माता को गर्भ देना है उसका.
Okay.
And then provide the environment and then give sanskaras.
Okay. Oh, so this is very
संस्कार
interesting.
क्या है? Conditioning.
Conditioning. हाँ, बराबर है. So the mother is the conditioning, but the consciousness is selecting the father.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
So उसके कर्म क्या है?
हाँ.
ये जो women also अचानक हो गया conceive, right? They were working on themselves, but then conceive हो गया.
हाँ.
या बहुत बार they are continuously working on themselves पर नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ.
Like I get messages कि I have to conceive by this month.
हाँ.
अगर तुम्हारे हाथ में होता,
हाँ.
just think about it. I know what space it is coming from. ठीक है. So women are in a lot of trouble right now
Yeah.
because of this, because of the pressure also. So men need to step up. There are many men coming forward now. I see them in the program, joining the program with their wives, and like मैं भी क्या कर सकता हूँ. There are so many mantras that the man has to chant.
Okay. Okay.
And हम इतना डीप जाएंगे नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा controversial हो जाएगा. But
No,
आयुर्वेद शास्त्र ये भी कहता है that the gender, dominant gender of that baby also depends on the male.
On the male. Okay.
And इसमें science है, you can research about it. So
So-
when we blame the women for the gender also, no, it is mainly by the man.
By the man. So basically क्या होता है कि society में whenever a couple is not able to conceive, the family या जो भी रिश्तेदार है, जो भी लोग हैं आजू बाजू, they all are always, it's so much on the woman कि you know इसमें कोई problem रहेगा.
Yes.
Majorly. But then nobody really focuses on how the male also needs to start
Yes.
transforming himself.
Yes.
So ऐसे कोई चीज़ें हैं that a male is supposed to do, start doing. ऐसे कोई tips है या ऐसे कोई मंत्रास है जो आप खुद बताते हो for males to start doing?
Yeah. So मंत्र तो definitely है.
हाँ.
But what I would like to suggest here quickly
हाँ.
is why they don't take action. Number one. ठीक है, कोई भी इंसान बिना वजह के कोई चीज़ नहीं करता.
बराबर है.
Right?
हाँ.
So वो क्यों नहीं करते हैं? स्पर्म काउंट तो मेरा अच्छा है, मोटिलिटी तो मेरा अच्छा है, व्हाट मोर डू आई नीड टू डू. तो यहाँ पे कॉन्शियसनेस का रोल आता है कि व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट, राइट? यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ बॉडी दैट इज गोइंग टू कम विद अ माइंड फॉर सम सोल. टू एक्सपीरियंस देयर लाइफ एज अ ह्यूमन,
यस,
राइट? सो जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल है, डू यू नो कि 10 साल पहले जो नॉर्मल स्पर्म काउंट था, आज उसका पैरामीटर जो है वो बहुत गिर चुका है.
या
सो व्हाट वाज नॉर्मल 10 years back
या
is not normal now.
बट व्हाई इज द रीजन, व्हाई इज द स्पर्म काउंट डिक्रीजिंग?
Stress,
मेजरली स्ट्रेस,
lack of physical activity
ओके,
and stress management.
उसकी
Majorly,
मेजरली,
right? So and then like I was saying कि वो जो consciousness है जो गर्भ में आती है, that is choosing the father.
या
मिसकैरेजेस क्यों होते हैं? यू आर नॉट अलाइंड. मेडिकली भी रीजंस है इसके,
हाँ.
बट अगर ये रिकरिंग हो रहा है एंड डॉक्टर्स आर लाइक नो यू जस्ट कीप ट्राइंग, नो यू जस्ट वर्क ऑन योर हेल्थ. So I am giving you the answers that are beyond it. And you will find many people after they hear this, you will find people who have finally looked into spiritual reasons and they have found it.
कि क्यों हो रहा है.
अच्छा, ये रीजन था.
So what should males start doing? Yeah, we'll get to 3 advices or 3
Yes,
tips.
yes.
कोई ऐसे 3 tips है that even males should start contributing
Yeah.
to this whole process.
So males are very blessed in terms of their hormone system, right? Because they
Okay.
don't have as many hormones as women.
Okay.
And second, they don't go through as much of a hormonal cycle as a woman does. So something as really high quality sleep, right?
Good quality sleep,
Good
okay.
quality sleep and nutrition and then asana abhyas. It can work wonders for them.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Asan se zyada I would say yoga abhyas if they enter into it. Now why they don't want to do it, they cannot meditate. They think their conception, the preconceived notion of yoga is such that they don't even know what it is, and so they don't want to opt for it just because what they have heard about yoga.
Yeah.
कि या तो flexibility के लिए है या तो मुझसे तो meditation होगा ही नहीं, but yoga is not meditation.
Yeah.
Yoga is not asan. Yoga is not pranayam also. Yoga is not pratyahar also. इनके अपने नाम है ना,
हाँ.
योग आसन कहते हैं.
हाँ. And I think वो conception है society का that yoga is very boring.
Yes.
Like yoga
Yes.
करना in general
Yes,
also to
it's
follow.
boring because you're not paying attention to yourself.
Yeah.
You're not paying attention to what is happening inside
Yeah.
when you are in the asan.
Yeah. True.
That's why it is not impacting you.
Got it.
तुम्हारा ध्यान नहीं है. जब आसन में ही ध्यान नहीं है,
हाँ.
तो ध्यान कैसे लगेगा?
Yeah.
मेडिटेशन में ध्यान कैसे लगेगा?